Listen up. The world doesn't need another lukewarm dreamer. It needs a blazing inferno. If you're tired of crawling in slow motion through someone else's definition of success, it's time to slam your foot on the gas. Your relentless drive is your middle finger to mediocrity. Stumble, fall, get up, and laugh at the rules you just broke. Build your own momentum. Don't wait for permission. Take it, own it, and set your own pace. Let the doubters choke on your dust. You are the wildfire. Unpredictable, unstoppable, and absolutely necessary. Burn bright, burn wild, burn now.